Have you ever felt small or helpless? This is the story of small, tiny things, a dry leaf and a mud lamb who went on a journey together. One sunny morning, on the edge of a field, a soft mud lamb lay quietly under a tree. Nearby, a dry leaf rested on the ground, still, silent, forgotten. A light breeze blew. The mud lamb rolled a little. The dry leaf fluttered. They bumped into each other. "Where are you going?" the dry leaf asked. "Nowhere special," replied the mud lamb. "Can I come with you?" "Of course," said the mud lamb. And so their journey began. They laughed, they rolled, they enjoyed the warm sunlight. But suddenly, the sky grew dark. Thunder, raindrops, pitter-patter, pitter-patter. The mud lamb began to tremble in fear. "If the rainwater falls on me, I will dissolve and disappear." Hearing this, the dry leaf climbed onto the mud lamb's back and sat there. Thus, mud lamb was saved. The rain fell harder, but the mud lamb was safe. It looked at the dry leaf and said, "You saved my life. I thought I was too heavy for you, but you proved me wrong." The dry leaf replied, "It's not always strength that matters. Sometimes it's kindness and quick thinking." Soon the clouds cleared. The sun peeked through again. They continued their journey. But now the wind started to blow. First soft, then strong and stronger. The dry leaf began to lift off the ground. "Hey!" she cried. "The wind will blow me away!" Without thinking, the mud lamb jumped onto the leaf. His weight pressed the leaf down. The wind pushed and pulled, but the leaf stayed. This time it was the mud lamb who saved her. The dry leaf smiled. "Thank you," she whispered. The mud lamb nodded. "We are strong because we have each other." They rolled along slowly. Two little friends, never alone again. Together they faced the rain. Together they faced the wind. They did not have wings. They did not have legs. But they had something more powerful, care. And so the journey continued. Moral of the story: true friendship is not about being strong. It's about standing by someone when they are weak. Helping each other in difficult times makes us stronger than any storm. Learn English easily through this beautiful moral story, The Dry Leaf and the Mud Lamb. This English story helps you improve your listening, vocabulary and pronunciation while enjoying life lessons about friendship and mutual help. Perfect for beginners learning English through storytelling. If you enjoyed this heart-touching story, please like, share and subscribe for more. Comment below. Have you ever had a friend who stood by you like this?